निवेदन करूंगा श्री केजी सुरेश जी से। I'm really grateful that you invited me. मेरे लिए ये वाकई पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं चैनल रूम में बैठा हुआ हूँ और अभी भी वहीं जा रहा हूँ और वहाँ इतना सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे डिस्कशन हो रहा है और यहाँ सिर्फ थोड़ी देर सुन के ही जो है लगता है कि they should all be here actually and listening to what exactly is the reason. वहाँ ऐसे फैक्टर्स आप भी बैठे हैं यहाँ सब आप देखते हैं कि वहाँ ऐसे फैक्टर्स पे डिस्कशन होता है विच इज नॉट द रियल कॉज। हाँ ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटरी इफेक्ट जरूर रहा होगा, बट यहाँ जो चेतना जागृति की बात हुई कहीं ना कहीं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट इज द रूट कॉज। ये हमेशा मैं कई जगह बोल भी चुका, लेकिन देयर वर नॉट मेनी टेकर्स बिकॉज आज थ्योरीज कुछ और है, सुपरफिशियल थ्योरीज ज्यादा हैं, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी that here is a platform where the actuals are being discussed. मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस मैंने खुद पिछले 3-4 महीने में मेरे कार्यकाल की समाप्ति के बाद आई बीन ट्रैवलिंग अराउंड द कंट्री, गॉन टू केरला, मैं पंजाब गया, यूपी गया, बिहार गया और मैंने ग्राउंड लेवल पे कुछ चीज़ें देखी जहाँ कुछ चीज़ें महसूस की एंड आई थॉट दैट यू नो आई शुड शेयर because the time is less. One, आप उसको कह सकते हैं कि हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं कि यादव मुस्लिम दलित कंबाइन सोशल इंजीनियरिंग, लेकिन शायद पिछले कई दशकों से राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ और उसके जो संस्थाएं द लार्जर संघ परिवार, चाहे वो वनवासी क्षेत्र में हो, एकल विद्यालय हो, वो अन्योन्य क्षेत्र में जो काम कर रहे हैं उनका जो सोशल इंजीनियरिंग है उसकी तरफ शायद किसी का ध्यान नहीं गया है और उस कारण से एक सोसाइटी में एक इंटीग्रेशन आया है विच परहैप्स सिटी में एयर कंडीशन रूम्स में बैठ के लोगों को दिखाई नहीं दिया। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा है कि कास्ट खत्म हो गया है, बट people have started realizing that they have an identity beyond that of their caste also, that they belong to a larger identity, jiska yahan whether you call it Hindu, a larger Indian identity where they feel that look, I am beyond this caste subcaste to which I am being confined to. This realization has happened and that is because they are being reminded, like हम पढ़ते हैं कि हनुमान को अपनी शक्ति के बारे में बताया जाता है, तो उसी तरह उनके शक्ति के बारे में उनको रिमाइंड किया जा रहा है दैट यू बिलोंग टू सच ए ग्रेट ट्रेडिशन, यू बिलोंग टू, यू हैव सच ए नोबल एंड ग्रेट हिस्ट्री एंड यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ इट एंड बिलीव मी दिस इज नॉट नेगेटिव, दिस इज नॉट a negative consolidation, that has been my observation. Unfortunately there may be one or two incidents now which are being highlighted in the media to show look what is being said and what is happening on this, but I can assure matlab that this is certainly, first of all, I doubt the credence of such incidents, whether they are even manufactured. But if they have happened, they don't have the approval of the society at large. That is for sure. These may be some lumpen elements looking for some headlines, some fringe elements, but they have nothing to do with the mainstream society. Because this society has always, in the West, we have always been told in India also about tolerance. We have to tolerate. Now tolerance is a very negative word, because if I say that I have to tolerate you, that's not a positive word. मैं आपको बर्दाश्त कर रहा हूँ. I think the word that has gone out from this country, this civilization, has been acceptance. That मैं आपको स्वीकार करता हूँ, and not only acceptance. It is not only acceptance of that diversity, but also the celebration of the diversity. That has been the hallmark of this civilization that we have been, and that is why, whether it is from the Jews to the Baha'is, who are the latest migrants to this country, they have found refuge in this country, and that is because of this acceptance and celebration of the diversity. I mean, the maximum number of people who go to, I'm in very close relation with the Baha'i community in this country, and they say that we receive the maximum support from the majority community in this country. Now they may be the minority among minorities in this country. Now they say that, so when we used to say that this country is secular, because it is Hindu, because Hinduism itself is secular, you know. So Hindu cannot be communal. So I felt that, and this is perhaps when you say Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. I went to different parts of the country, in Assam, in Bihar, where I found that nobody was discriminated against when it came to the Ujjwala gas connection. Nobody was discriminated against, no one's caste was asked or community was asked when the toilets were allotted. No one's, when the roads were decided, nobody was, asked that whether this road passes through a Muslim village or a Hindu village or a Dalit village. You know, roads were built, toilets were built, and that is why this mandate has come. It is because of that universal acceptance, that celebration of diversity. And I think that has come of age now. So it won't be wrong if I say, put it in a nutshell, that this victory, I would say, is what Kapoor Sahab rightly put it, that consciousness has arrived. You know, if 2014 was the penultimate stage, this is the ultimate stage where it has announced its arrival, that this consciousness, this awareness has arrived, and not only it has arrived, it is here to stay. Thank you so much.